parents to yourself. Right? So, we receive grace, blessing, we receive, as we also what we heard in our one of our great religious leader, which is member of the ACLC and WCLC, no? How great our true parents. They did a lot of things for the sake of the world and for the sake of heavenly parent. But the and precious accomplishment that your parents have is produce blessed families. Through parents nurtured new chosen people. These are the people who are committed to fulfill, to realize kingdom of heaven on earth. Aju? So, and sisters, in our lives, di ba? Have you ever heard the news so good that you couldn't just keep it to yourself? Did you have experienced that in your lives, my dear brothers and sisters? May mga bagay, bukas ngayon dyan, oh, na coffee shop. Ang sarap ng milk tea. Huh? Di ba? You share it. You share to your neighbors, brothers and sisters. You even announce on Facebook how wonderful, gaano ka sarap, napakaganda ng ambience, you know, good accommodation, you know, because you experience, right? You experience it. And that's why you share it, because when you went there, you feel joy, you feel happy. Aju? Yeah. So there is a crazy milk tea promo there, oh. Buy one, take one. No? So my dear brothers and sisters, we are very excited to share. There is Eat All You Can, only 400 pesos. So we are very excited, right? To share. There is a secret mall sale. So now, there is incoming 3-3. There is incoming 4-4. Sale in Lazada, in Shopee, in TikTok. Oh, there is a new, latest gadgets today. I already tested it. Very nice, very good, very convenient. Because you already experience, you taste it, you experience it, then you feel happy. Aju? That's why you don't keep it to we don't keep it to ourselves. We share to others. Then others will experience the same what we experience in our lives, right? Aju? So it is the nature of the Filipino to share things that made us happy. But what if the news we carry is more than just exciting? It's life or death. What if it's about eternal salvation? Did you hear the news? Many people, they ruin their lives. They don't know what to do. What's the reason why they are born on earth? But those who meet through parents, you receive a great news, right? Through parents teach us the purpose of life. The very reason why God created us. That much exciting, right? Oh, you don't want to share eternal salvation. Because of through parents, our life changed. Our life transformed, my dear brothers and sisters. Aju? Is that experience is not worth it to share to the world? From being barumbado, you become good person. From being a person who don't have value and purpose, you become very valuable and special in the eyes of heaven. From being just an ordinary people, you become sons and daughters of heavenly parent. That is not an exciting news, my dear brothers and sisters. Exciting, right? These are the things that we need to share. Hindi lang yung masarap na milk tea, na buy one, take one. Hindi lang yung masarap na unlimited lechon. Hindi lang yung masarap na Thai noodles. Hindi lang yung masarap na kape at prop sa Starbucks. We need also to share eternal salvation to all. And they can only receive eternal salvation if they meet true parents. Adieu. My dear brothers and sisters. So therefore, my dear brothers and sisters, we have received the greatest blessing in history. The revelation of true parents. Father and Mother Moon stand as the true parents of heaven, earth, and humankind. Restore all the failure from the past and fulfill, completed, perfected, completed the providence so that we can start to build kingdom of heaven on earth. My dear brothers and sisters, we are now already in the 14th year of Shunilguk. Aju? It means building of kingdom of heaven and earth already started 14 years ago. We are now in the 14th year, my dear brothers and sisters. But this blessing is not meant to be hidden or kept only for ourselves. Just as Jesus commanded His disciples to go and make disciples of all nations, we too are called to testify boldly to true parents so that all humanity may share in this gift. Adieu. We know true parents. We knew true parents. You are raised up by true parents. True parents make you precious sons and daughters of heaven. True parents elevated you from being a simple citizen of this world, become a historical figure in this world. My dear brothers and sisters, we are called your chosen people in the era of Shunilguk. My dear brothers and sisters, once we receive true parents, once we meet true parents, we are not anymore ordinary people. Therefore, we cannot behave just like an ordinary people. We are a providential person. We are a chosen people. We have a providential mission. We have a providential responsibility as a chosen people of Shunilguk, which is to expand, grow, and develop kingdom of heaven on earth, my dear brothers and sisters. Kaya nga sabi sa Matthew chapter 5 verse 14, you are the light of the world. A city on a hill cannot be hidden. You are chosen people. We are chosen people. You are the light of the world. Why is this world in chaos? Because they don't know true parents. The world is in trouble because they don't know what true love means is all about. They don't know how to be a true person. In Matthew 14, kayo ang ilaw ng sanlibutan, ang isang lungsod na nasa ibabaw ng bundok ay hindi maitatago. We should not keep in ourselves the grace, the blessing, the mercy, and the love that we receive from true parents. We need to share, my dear brothers and sisters. Sabi nga sa Matthew chapter 28, verse 19, go and make disciples of all nations. Means faith must be multiplied, not contained. That's why, my dear brothers and sisters, why our true parents, as what our great leaders, religious leaders said, why True Mother is in trouble, our Holy Mother Han? Because we don't fulfill our responsibility to testify. That's why the society behave like this. The way they look at us because they don't know us. Who knows that you are a good person? My dear brothers and sisters, sino nakakilala sa inyo na kayo ay mabuting tao? Who can testify that you are a good person? You're a person who can do everything for the sake of heaven. Did your neighbors know that? Did your friends know that? Did your family and loved one know that? Kung tayo-tayo lang ang nakakilala, then how can we expand Chunil Group? How can we expand Kingdom of Heaven on Earth kung tayo-tayo lang nakakaalam na tayo ay mga mabubuting tao? We are the people who have principle. Aju? It needs to be shared. And your life is the living testimony of the parents' teaching. That's why in the era of Chunilguk, even the outside world recognize. In this era, anong sabi nila? Ano yung kasabihan ng mga... Sa ngayong panahon, in the era of the 21st century, ang labanan ay pagandahan ng buhay. Ang labanan ay pasayahan ng buhay. Right? It's not anymore sinong may mas malaking bahay or mansions or what. What na yan ngayon? People wants to see. People wants to experience ideals. People wants to see and experience how to be truly happy. How to be truly loved by somebody. No, there's a survey in the Philippines. Gen Z. Mga Gen Z. You know Gen Z? Right? Ito sila, mga sa harap, mga Gen Z. You know, in the survey, lumabas. Mga Gen Z, they prefer, you know, na magiging more ideal ang buhay nila. No? They don't want compromise. They want to live a better life, good life, meaningful life. Adieu, brothers and sisters. So faith must be multiplied, not contained. Don't just keep the parents in your heart. Don't just keep the principles in your heart. It should be multiplied. It should be shared, my dear brothers and sisters. Kaya in Matthew chapter 10, verse 8, says, freely you have received, freely give. Blessings are meant to be shared. We receive blessing. Because of the blessing, our life changed. We became children of Heavenly Parent. We changed lineage from Satan's blood lineage to God's blood lineage. From Satan's sovereignty to God's sovereignty. So because of the blessing, God entrusted to, especially blessed family, what God entrusted to us when we receive blessing from Heavenly Parent through parents. Ano ang ipinagkatiwala ng Heavenly Parent? Anong blessing ang binigay niya sa atin? It's not just a ceremony and you can have partner. He entrusted to us that you, blessed family, should multiply through love, true life, and true lineage. Aju? Therefore, everyone should receive the blessing. Without receiving the blessing, you cannot be a true sons and daughters of heaven. Because your blood is stained by Satan's blood lineage. It should be purified. And it can only be purified through the Holy Marriage Blessing Ceremony initiated by our Heavenly Parent and victorious through parents. Blessing is not just to have a partner. If you want partner, you can easily find outside. You can choose by your own. Right? Why we need to receive blessing? Not just to have a partner. Blessing is a process for us to become sons and daughters of Heavenly Parent and through. In Luke chapter 8, verse 16 says, no one lights a lamp and hides it under a bowl. See? Truth must shine for all. Aju? That's why there is a very popular saying, right? Truth hurts you, But truth will set you free if you accept the truth. Right? If you accept the truth, you learn the truth, you will be liberated. All of us will be liberated. Aju. So truth must shine for all, my dear brothers and sisters. In Acts chapter 4, verse 20 said, we cannot help speaking about what we have seen and heard. Aju? So it means silence is not an option when truth has touched our lives. You are not be proud before you are like this, and after receiving true parents' words and teaching and accepting true parents in your life transform and change. That kind of life is a great life. Needs to be testified. Need to be shared, right? Because people wants also to transform. People wants also to experience joy and happiness. They want also to live meaningful life. Aju, my dear brothers and sisters? So, you need to share your lives. How true parents touch your lives. How true parents change your lives. How true parents transform your lives. My dear brothers and sisters. You blessed families, members of the Holy Community, you are the substantial living testimony how great our true parents is. Aju? True parents wants to see how much you embody the truth. How much you put into action and practice the principles in our lives, my dear brothers and sisters. Because kingdom of heaven needs to be realized on earth. Need to be built on earth. Aju? That's why through Father's words, the purpose of life is to live for the sake of others. If you keep the blessing only for yourselves, it will wither. But if you share it, it will multiply. Aju? Before the chosen people, first chosen people, they are only few. Second chosen people, they are only minority. But with their consistent devotions, continues testifying the greatness of Lord Jesus, they become great religion of the world. Oh, they also receive tremendous persecution, misunderstood, right? Everything. But the real, ang tunay na mga mananampalataya, ang tunay na mga sumusunod kay Jesus, never give up. They testify. Aju? And they cover the entire earth to testify our Lord Jesus. This is also our mission, through Father said. You need to testify who is true parents. True Mother said, true parents are not only for the unification family, but for all humanity. Our mission is to testify to them and expand the culture of true love. Aju? So that's our mission. We need to testify them. That's why how we live our life is very important. Because our life is the true example of true parents' teaching. My dear brothers and sisters, the time for the completion of the providence has come, and the true parents whom people have yearned to see for so long have finally appeared on earth, through Mother said. However, for those who do not know this is a warning. True Mother said, Holy Mother Han said, our only begotten daughter said, for those who do not know this and who simply let it pass by, we can only imagine how much they will lament when they reach the spirit world. This is why we must educate and inspire people. Do you understand? See? Nasa huli, sabi nga ng mga Pilipino, nasa huli ang pagsisisi. But the problem is, even though magsisi ka, but we are already in our final destination in the spirit world, wala na. Wala na tayong magagawa. Adyo? If we fail to do our responsibility, we will be condemned in the spirit world, and the history will condemn. Because we are the chosen people, but we did not do our responsibility. We misuse our precious lives, doing things not connected to the will of heaven. That's the problem. This is our great trouble. If we did not do our responsibility, my dear chosen people of Chonilguk. Adyo? Kaya why we must share through parents? Why? Through mother's words. Next. Why we must share through parents? Number one, to restore the humanity. Restoration of humanity. How can we transform fallen man to become sons and daughter of heavenly parent if we don't share through parents? If we don't witness? What Satan like the most? The word, I don't like to witness, I don't like to witness, I don't care to witness. No witness. That's what Satan like the most. Because if chosen people will not do the responsibility, Satan's children will remain forever in the realm of Satan. That's why Satan's favorite word is, do not witness. Do not witness. I don't care. It's okay not to witness. Witnessing is not just only for others, my dear brothers and sisters. Witnessing is 3 level. You witness first to yourself, because not everything starts from you, right? Heaven starts from everyone, from you. Restoration starts from you. So, we need to witness ourselves. That's why we need to do hondoke. We need to study the Word of God. We need to join Chong Shimon, devotions, because we need to protect ourselves from Satan accusations and Satan's attack. Adyo? Then you need to witness your brothers and sisters. You need to be the living examples in substance and in lifestyle, not just in words. We need to practice one family under heavenly parent. That's our responsibility. And then we need to witness others. Adyo? So if we will not do, if we will not share, without sharing, the lineage of heaven cannot expand. Adyo? So that's how important why we must share through parents, my dear brothers and sisters. Every day in our lives, we need to. You have 24 hours a day. God just asked you 10%. 2 hours and 40 minutes. Offer it for God. God did not ask for 24 hours. God just asked 2.4 hours to devote it to witness and testify and share who true parent is. Adyo? Second, why we must share through parents? For the fulfillment of Shunilguk. The kingdom of heaven and earth requires multiplication of faith and love. If we will not share through parents, then how can we expand Chunilguk? We only focus always on purification, on why we need to purify ourselves. We always focus on ourselves. Purification, purification, the real purification. Go to the field, true Father said. You want to be a true person, go to the field and love people. That is the substantial way of purification. My dear brothers and sisters, Aju, how can you know you have true love if you don't go to the field and outside and love people? Right? Just attending workshop is enough? Cannot. That's why we need to share to our parents so that we can expand Chon Il Guk. Ajo? Number 3. Why we must share through parents? It's responsibility of ownership in the family pledge, as we read. As the owner of Chon Il Guk. Who is the owner of Chon Il Guk? It's not only through parents. The owner of Chon Il Guk is us. We are already anointed, appointed, and declared chosen people of Chon Il Guk. We are already declared as citizen of Chon Il Guk. My dear brothers and sisters. So as an owner of Chon Il Guk, we must actively build God's kingdom, not passively wait. Aju? Aju. How can we build kingdom of heaven? You need to witness. We need to witness not just for the sake of church growth. Through Father instructed us, through Father, through parents, encourage us to witness, to bring people, not for the sake, so that we will become a mega church. So that we have big numbers. Through parents, encourage us and told us to witness so that we can raise more citizens of Chon Il Guk who will build the kingdom of heaven on earth. Aju? It's not for the sake of numbers. So don't keep through parents to yourself. Parang analogy ba? It's just like a seed of truth. Parang binhi ng katotohanan. If keep in a jar, it dies. But when planted in the soil of others, heart, it grows into a harvest. Right? Testifying through parents is like a river of love. If blocked, it stagnates. But when it flows outward, it nourishes the land. Aju? Oh. That's how important testifying and sharing who is through parents. Next. So, my dear brothers and sisters, my dear citizen of Chon Il Guk, chosen people of Chon Il Guk, how to apply? How to apply? About testifying through parents? You don't have, sinabi dito, you don't have to be a pastor to share the gospels or the teaching of true parents. You don't need to be a theology degree. If Jesus and true parents save you, you've got a story to tell, right? You have a wonderful story to tell. From being a barumbado, from being a lasingo, you become a true person. How beautiful story is that? Right? From being walang purpose ang buhay, nagkaroon ng meaning ang buhay. From being a broken family, you build ideal and wonderful family. Despite your background is broken family, but because of your parents, you now knew how to build ideal family and you do it. Right? So, hindi kailangan maging pastor. Hindi mo kailangan maging leader. Hindi mo kailangan maging theologian. Ang napakasimpleng gawin mo to apply how to share to parents, you need your beautiful story. Aju, tell it. Tell to anyone. Share it in the person, in text, in online, or over a coffee. Aju? Pumunta kayo sa coffee shop? Then share. Ha? Pa-side sweep niya ba? Oh, nag-umpisa lang sa negosyo. Then later on you share. You know. Oh. Ha? Sa text. Online. Marami kayong friends. 5,000, 10,000 yung mga friends nyo. Ha? Share to parents. Aju? Share to parents' words. My dear brothers and sisters, God, anong sabi? God isn't looking for a perfect speakers. He is looking for willing witnesses. Aju? Ang magpapadami sa atin, hindi naman yung speaker eh. Ang magpapadami sa atin ay tayo lahat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 people. If these 20 people determine from now on, I will bring 3 people until end of 2026. After 2026, we will become 200. We will become 100. Aju? So how to apply? Especially if you're no? Because there is a saying that actions speak louder than words. The way they look at you, they experience, they feel it, they live with it. So they know what is heaven is all about. In youth, you testify boldly to your friends, showing them the joy of living for the sake of others. To our elders, preserve and pass down the tradition of faith, ensuring continuity across generations. So my dear brothers and sisters, let's do our best. Let's share to parents victory, accomplishment. Huwag na tayong maghanap kung anong magandang brochures ang ipapakita natin. Your life itself is the real, substantial example how great true parents is. Aju? Huwag ka na maghanap. Look at your lives. Did you live a very well-lived life? Are you happy? Are you fulfilled? Did you feel that you live a meaningful life? Wonderful life? Joyful life? So my dear brothers and sisters, our conclusion for our sermon. We were once spiritually unclean, right? We are fallen. We are cast out. We are hopeless. But we found grace. We found Jesus. We found true parents in our lives. We work hand in hand. We live together. We breathe the same air with our true parents. How lucky we are. Therefore, we carry the most powerful news on earth. Right? Right? What is that powerful news? True parents arrive on earth. And true parents teach humanity how to become a true sons and daughter of heavenly parents, and how to substantialize and realize the original plan of heavenly parents for humanity. But the question is, my dear brother and sister, will we stay silent? Even the Bible said, bakit kayo nababalisa? Why you worry a lot? I know everything what you need. But before I provided, seek ye first my kingdom and my righteousness, and everything will be added unto you. Adyo? Sino ang mga nababalisa? Sino ang nagwo-worry? Those people who are not chosen because they don't know how to live their life. Right? Just like the Gentiles before. They worry what to eat, what to wear. But the chosen people, that is not their worry. Their main concern as a chosen people is God's kingdom and righteousness. Adyo? So will we stay silent, my dear brothers and sisters? We need to be bold. Right? Like Peter, like Paul, after they completely accept Jesus in their lives, after the Pentecost, they never doubt who Jesus is. That's why, kahit ipako pa sila sa cross, kahit patayin pa sila, stoned to death, they continue to testify. Adyo? This time, wala na nagbabato. So the gospel's and true parents' life and word is not a souvenir. It's not for display. It's a lifeline. It's the message that saves and realizes the original plan of God. It is a lifeline, my dear brothers and sisters. So therefore, we need to share. We need to testify through parents because they are the lifeline. Adyo? Don't just keep it in your wallet. Don't just hang in your respective houses. We need to share. We need to testify. Adyo? So my beloved brothers and sisters, we cannot keep true parents to ourselves. Their love, truth, and missions are for all humanity. So therefore, my dear brothers and sisters, let us pledge today. Bear it, put it into your mind and heart. Let us pledge today, my dear brothers and sisters. Number one, let us pledge to testify to true parents with boldness. We need to multiply. I pledge to multiply the blessing through spiritual children. I pledge to leave a shining light in our communities. I will pledge to build Chunilgok by sharing the gift that we have received from true parents. And what is that gift? Blessing. Adyo? So let us pledge and do this, brothers and sisters. And then it is guaranteed, kingdom of heaven on earth will be substantial. Adyo? It will expand. It will grow. And the more people will experience true joy and happiness. Many people will live meaningful, wonderful life. Adyo? So my dear brothers and sisters, this is the challenge for all of us. I will give you a challenge. I hope this week, look for that one person who doesn't know true parents. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to be present. Adyo? Start the conversation. Share the news. And be the lifeline. Adieu. If you have that conviction and you have that commitment, then you make true parents, you make heavenly parents smile. Adieu. Because saving one person, it makes true parents, it makes heavenly parents happy. Adieu. So let's do the challenge, my dear brothers. So are you willing, my dear brothers and sisters? Are you willing to start? Again, no need to be perfect and a model. You need to be present. Adieu? The more you do it, the more you become perfect. Right? The more you will nurture yourselves. Because the more that we witness, we know people look at not only in words and also in action. Right? So the more that we bring people, the more that we witness people, the more that we testify, the more that we nurture and develop ourselves. So start the conversation, my dear brothers and sisters. Share the news and be the lifeline. Adieu. So let's bring and offer glory and victory to Heavenly Parent and victorious to parents and Holy Mother Han. So my dear brothers and sisters, don't keep true parents to yourselves. Share and testify. So good morning and happy Sunday, everyone.